Good evening, Dora. Welcome to our class. Hello.
Hello.
Can you see and hear teacher?
Yes,
All right, Dora, nice to see you today. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great to hear. Dora, are you now ready for our class?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Dora, let's have review from our previous lesson. Look and say the right answers. Let's start. Pajamas.
Pajamas. 11. 12. Pail. Lunch. Sleep. Pajamas. Pajamas. 11. 12. Pail.
That's amazing, Dora. You got 10 stars. Very good. Okay, now, Dora, we will have our new lesson for today. Look, what can you see in the picture?
Favorite food.
Correct. Yes, today we will learn about my favorite food. Now look at Timmy and Cindy. Okay, what food can you see? We can see, what's this? Pizza and
Salad.
salad. Right? Correct. Now, Dora, let's have a game. Look, drag the picture and say, what food do you like? Wow! Great job, Dora. Now let's say it. I like
Apple. Banana.
carrot, onion, cake, noodles, and a bowl of rice. Wow! And look at this, yummy! All right, now. Good job, Dora. Very good. Dora, look, let's have word fun. Are you ready?
Go.
Go! Dora, look. Timmy.
Pizza.
Yes, correct. We have our first word, pizza.
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 Yes, now let's read the sentence. Pizza is my...
Favorite food.
Yes, pizza is my favorite food. Wow, look at Timmy. Okay, pizza has how many hearts? Three hearts. Okay, like it very much. Timmy likes it very much. Hamburger has 2 hearts, and sandwich only has
Heart.
1 heart. All right. So pizza is the most favorite food of Timmy. Very good. Dora, look. What's this?
Yummy.
Yummy.
That's yummy. Now let's read the sentence. Wow.
Pizza is yummy.
That's right. Pizza is yummy. Very good. Look at Timmy's face. He looks so happy. Okay, now, Dora, look at Cindy. Let's listen.
Salad.
Salad.
Yes. Now, let's read the sentence.
My favorite food is salad.
Oh, Cindy's favorite food is salad. Okay, how many stars or hearts that Cindy gave to it? 3 hearts. Pizza only has how many hearts? 2? Yes, pizza has 2 hearts, and sandwich. Yes, 1 heart. Very good. Right, correct. Now, Dora, it's game time. Are you ready?
Go.
Go. Dora, look, listen, and repeat. Click the picture. Pizza.
Pizza.
Okay, let me click it. Next, yummy.
Yummy.
Okay, this one, salad. Okay,
Pizza.
Correct.
Salad.
Salad. Very good.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yes. All right. Now let's spell these words. Dora, okay, first salad. S-A-L-E-D, salad. Okay, next, pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Next, yummy. Y-U.
Why?
Very good. Yummy. Now, Dora. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Another game. Act and say it. Look at Cindy and Timmy. Okay, let's try this one. The pizza is
Yummy.
very good. The pizza is yummy. Next. The salad is
Not yummy.
The salad is not yummy. Okay, next, cake. The cake is yummy. A bowl of rice. Yes, a bowl of rice is yummy. The hamburger. The hamburger is
Not
the
yummy.
hamburger is not yummy. Very good. Now, Dora, it's talk time. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Okay. Now, Dora, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture?
Sandy.
Yes, Sandy and Timmy, correct. Now let's listen to them. Okay, let me play the audio.
What is your favorite food, Timmy?
What is your favorite food, Timmy?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is
Very
pizza.
good. Thank you, Dora. Now let's role play. First, I am Cindy. Dora, you are Timmy. Okay? Let's start.
Okay.
What is your favorite food, Timmy?
My favorite food is pizza.
Now, Dora, you are Cindy. Teacher is Timmy.
What is your favorite food,
My
Timmy?
favorite food is pizza. Good. Now, Dora, what is Timmy's favorite food? Timmy's favorite food is pizza. That's right. Perfectly said. Now, let's listen.
Wow, pizza is yummy.
Wow, pizza is yummy.
Yes, I love to eat pizza.
Yes, I love to eat pizza.
Now, let's role play, Dora. Teacher is Cindy. You are Timmy. And we switch roles, okay? All right.
Okay.
Wow, pizza is yummy.
Yes, I love to eat pizza.
Very good. Now I am Timmy. Dora, you are Cindy.
Whoa, pizza is yummy.
Yes, I love to eat pizza. Thank you so much, Dora. Very good. Next, let's continue. Let's listen.
What is your favorite food, Cindy?
What is your favorite food, Sandy?
My favorite food is salad.
My favorite food is salad.
Yes, salad is Cindy's favorite food. Okay, now, Dora, let's role play. I am Timmy. You are Cindy. Okay, let's start. What is your favorite food, Cindy?
My favorite food is
Sure.
salad.
Now I am Cindy. Dora, you're Timmy.
What is your favorite food,
My
Sandy?
favorite food is salad. Right, again, Dora, what is Cindy's favorite food?
Sandy's favorite food
Wow,
is salad.
that's right. Cindy's favorite food is salad. Now, Dora, let's listen.
Ugh, I don't think salad is yummy.
I don't think salad is yummy.
No, but it's very healthy.
No, but it's very salty.
Yes, right now, Dora. I am Timmy. You are Cindy. Oh, I don't think salad is yummy.
No, that is very hard.
That's right. Now I am Timmy. You are Timmy.
I don't think salad
No,
is
but
yummy.
it's very healthy. Right? Dora, does Timmy like salad? Does he think salad is yummy? Timmy? Yes. Timmy don't think salad is yummy. You are right, Dora. Next. Dora, it's game time. Are you ready? Yes,
Yeah.
go. Let's play some games. Look at the picture, listen, and repeat the sentences loudly. Okay, look. What is
your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Oh, perfectly said. What is your favorite food? Next, let's have sentence 2. Dora, look.
My favorite food is salad. My favorite food is salad. My favorite food is salad.
Oh, great job. My favorite food is salad. Right. Dora, look. Look here at the picture. What is your most favorite food?
My favorite food is
Salad
salad.
too? Wow. Now picture is banana. Okay. Right now. Dora, let's have another game. Look and say, what is your favorite food? Okay, we can see here the pig and the rabbit. Okay, picture is the pig. You are rabbit. Let's role play. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is salad.
Next. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is
Good.
pizza.
Next. You are the cat. I am the pig now. Let's complete the sentence. What?
What is your favorite
My favorite food is cake. Very good, Dora. Next, let's have another game. Okay, let's role play. Let's choose 2 characters, 2 boys or 2 girls. Okay, two.
A
Okay,
boy.
a boy and a girl. Okay. Teacher is the boy, you are the girl. Okay, now let's talk about your favorite food. Okay, let's start. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite
My favorite food is salad.
Wow! Salad is yummy.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's switch roles. I am the girl or the yes, I am the girl, you are the boy. What?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is salad. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cake.
Wow, cake is yummy. Great. Now let's try another characters. Okay, this one. We have done that. Okay, next. Again, the blue. Okay, boy wearing a blue t-shirt and the girl wearing a pink t-shirt. Now, let's start. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cake.
Wow, cake is yummy.
Now I am the girl, you are the boy. What is?
What is your
My
favorite
food is pizza. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is
Pizza
pizza.
too. Wow! Pizza is yummy. Wow, we both like pizza, Dora. Good job. Pizza is our favorite food. Okay, now, Dora, let's have the I can do it keywords for today.
Pizza, yummy.
Yes, we got pizza, yummy, and salad. Okay, let's spell these words one by one. Pizza,
V-V-A.
Next, yummy.
Y-U-M-M-Y.
Next, salad.
S-A-L-A-D.
Very good. Okay, now, let's make a sentence. Let's try to make a sentence, Dora, using the word pizza, yummy, and salad. Okay, let's try to make one. My favorite food. Okay, my favorite food. Oh, pizza. Wow, that's right. Perfect. Okay, my favorite food is, let me also type it here. My favorite food is pizza. Okay, next. Cake. Okay, my favorite food is cake. Let me type. My favorite food is cake. Okay, next. The cake is yummy. You can say it. And the salad. Okay, my favorite food is salad. Okay. Let me type. My favorite food is salad. All right. Wow. Apple too. Okay, my favorite fruit. Okay, you can say that. My favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is apple. How do you like apple? Apple is yummy, right? Okay. Next. Okay. Cake is yummy. Right? Apple is, we could say also apple is yummy. Wow! So I know that a banana too. Oh, all right. Apple, banana, cake, and pizza. Okay, those are your favorite foods. Okay, wow, that's fantastic, Dora. Okay. Anything else? Also, what's this? Okay, let me see it. Wow, all right, orange. Wow. Now, Dora, look, let's see. Or I can do it. Key sentences. Let's read it. What is your favorite? What is your favorite food? A pear too. Wow. Okay. My favorite food.
It's
My
salad.
favorite food is salad. Now, Dora. Wow, you did an amazing job in today's lesson. Trophy and your medal. Wow, thank you so much for today's lesson, Dora. Let's sing bye-bye song. Sing with teacher. 3, 2, 1, go. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Yes, Dora, thank you so much for today. You are amazing. All right, be happy, be good, be safe always. Have a great night. Okay, thank you so much. Let me also type it here. All right. Bye for now, Dora. Have a great night.
Goodbye.